Good morning, my friend. I didn't hear back from you in the email, so I assume that you went on to do greater things last night or fell asleep from exhaustion. I'm pretty busy today, so I didn't want to miss your email and not be able to catch up with you. So I'm doing this screencast to walk you through how to get access to the grading rubric. It's the same place it's always been. It just looks weird in a wiki. So this is your course, and you can see Krista's listed. She's the first one alphabetically. So when you go under the annotated bibliography assignment, and note that it was at the very, very end of your grading columns, and I couldn't get it to move yesterday from my work computer. So when I got up this morning, I moved it in line, like in time order, so it's right after your discussion board grading. So you'll be able to go in and then go into Blackboard and it'll be right there. This is Krista's column. So you can go in here and click on the chevron that points down just like you always do, and you see user activity. What you're used to seeing is that little circle that looks like there's work there. But because we did this after the assignment was done, it's gotten turned around. So you're going to click on the grade user activity. And it'll take a minute, it's thinking. Okay, so this is the file that you'll get. Your rubric is right here where it always is. You'll click on that and you'll see all the stuff that you need. The wiki doesn't populate the entire wiki in this panel. What it does do is provide you the link to the version that that student contributed it to. So if you look at this, it says compared to version 6. What they're telling you is that Krista was the 6th person that entered into the wiki. So you just click on this just like you would any other hyperlink. And this brings you to the wiki that the way it looked after Krista did it. So every time you look at this, just scroll to the end and you'll notice that the very last entry is Krista's entry. And you can read her work here. Read her work, see if she's met your expectations, and then you're right there with the grading rubric. The design of grading the wikis in Blackboard, it doesn't allow you to put annotated notes actually on the file like you would do if they had a paper, which is one of the reasons I wouldn't use a wiki for anything more than like this, where you've got 50 words and it's a snapshot of something. So it's not the best format, but this is kind of the way that Blackboard has embedded the wiki tool in it. So this is, I hope this gives you an idea of where everything is. Again, you're just going to click on that chevron, open it up under user activity, and then you'll click the annotated bibliography and it'll bring you to the file where the student was the last one to submit it to. I hope this answers your question. If it doesn't, holler back at me and let me know, and I'm happy to try to cross paths with you today and we can talk about it. I hope you're well. You are missed these days. These are a little crazy, so it would be awfully nice to have a nice, calm voice of reason, in addition to the few of us that are still calm, but your calmness and your grace is missed. I hope things are good for you in Ohio. Be in touch. Take care.